In today's video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in into the Canva Video Editor timeline. Let's pick a video document here. We'll choose video landscape. Let's click on the plus sign here. Stock videos. So we'll be adding a few video clips. Maybe we'll add a couple of them just to make up our page. So I'm just going to quickly move some to zoom into this timeline now to see the granular details I want to cut out when editing. If you see it in 10 seconds, 20 seconds. If I want to have more control on my edits, I'll come over here. You see where it says zoom page. If I just click on zoom page, it zooms only this upper part of the page. I'm going to go down here. But if I click on zoom page again, you see this stuff that was highlighted white here will come down to these three white lines here. You see it says zoom coming off. So when I zoom into this, you see it has zoomed into the timeline. And I now have control to cut out. You see how lengthy it is. You now have more control to cut out tiny details. We tap on here, we can easily split and come on here, split. You can see I'm able to cut out minor details from the video time. Let's click on this and let's chunk out. If you want to go back to zooming the page, just tap in the zoom again and you'll see the white border has returned to the top part of the zoom and it says zoom page. Like this video if you got value from it and subscribe to the channel for more videos time posts. Have a good one.